And now I want to try showing you a little bit about a break line here. So what we'll do is, let's say we have this call out, okay? I'm just in my section 5 over here, and there's my call out here, 5 on sheet A104. So I double click that and I go into my call out. From there, for instance, I want to do another little call out or detail here. So I'm going to go up to my View tab and then click my call out tool, click, click. Pick on here. I usually move my bubbles to the outside, and then you can bend this around, etc. if you want. So now I double click on there. Okay, so now once I get inside of here, we have two crop regions. We have an annotation crop region and we have a model crop region. We'll talk about that in a couple lessons. But what we want to do is provide those kind of break lines. You see, what I want to do is turn the crop region off. Okay, but then I want to see that break line. Okay, we actually showed you that earlier. So if we go up to component here, let's go to annotate, and you can see it says component here. If you're on home, these components are model components. Okay, annotate, these are detail components. So I'll click on here and say, detail component. And then what I'm going to do is go straight to load. Okay, I have to load a detail component type of family. So I go detail component. Under general, there's something called break line. Okay, what it is a line, and it has a masking region, and it masks off part of what you're seeing. So I hit OK, open. So I bring that guy in. Again, I can use my space bar, okay, and then place it. Escape, escape. Now what happens is, when you bring it in, okay, I'll take one of these and say create similar. When you bring it in and you place it, click, it's going to mask on the top half. So as you rotate it, it works its way around. So you have about, you can just place it and then see how it goes. You can also take them and mirror them, etc. I think you can mirror this. Let's try. Mirror that across there, escape, pull it down, place it over there. So the masking part you can grip by here, okay? You can pick on here and you can grip this. Now this also, you have to be careful because it's also getting clipped by my crop region. So you want to pull your crop region out probably just past your break lines and then turn it back off again. Then from there you can, grip and stretch these. Okay, there's also grips to control the size of the zigzag on here. Okay, you can do that, and you can do this. Okay, and you can move it. So you can kind of control where that zigzag is just by looking at the grips, grabbing the grips. So that's the break line object, and you can really do that. You can place it in any view. You can be in a plan view or a section, or it doesn't matter where you are inside of there. And then you can, start to bring this stuff down, start to make it look a little bit more like the detail that you want. And then we will start to add some text and annotation and dimensions to all these details. Now inside of here, if I want, I can add more details, right? By going down and grabbing my 2x6, space bar, place it, right? Grab my 1x14, place it in there. Okay, now I'm not sure if it's which way the joists are going, but either way, we can go down in here and grab that wood eye joist, place a joist in there. Okay, start using our edit cut profile, bringing in other little details. Okay, doing whatever we have to. We can even bring in AutoCAD details for windows and doors. And now, of course, we can place that on a sheet because that's going to be called, call out 2 of section 5. So I can go in and I can rename that if I want. Okay, and I can also place that on a sheet. So I can go down to my sheets, grab my sections sheet, double click to open that up, and then I can simply go up to here and grab that section from here and drag it down, place it over there somewhere, take this guy, nudge it up, take this guy, move it over, and of course now that it's there, it's going to get a number here, okay, and it'll pick up the name, and then that number will then be picked up over here, detail 6, right here on sheet A104. So that works out well. And as you continue to add annotations and dimensions to these views, of course, these sheets are all going to stay updated.